how we can achieve active state effect on any button. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can build that. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to take a rectangle and I will decrease the width a little bit, and let's take this. So I'm going to change the height to 50, okay, and make it round, and I will enable the border, and then I will use a text component here. Now on this component, basically I'm going to change the color of this text. Okay, now I will group these two components, and then I am going to duplicate this. Okay, now here I'm going to change the design a little bit. Okay, so if the user didn't select it, then it will show this particular button. If user selected, then it will show this button. Okay, so now I'm going to group these two components again and then make a list. Okay, now since I already so let's connect this custom list to the category database. So as you can see, I already have a categories here. Okay, now I'm going to connect this category. Okay, and now I will double click on this and then again click on this particular group 109. Okay, now here I'm going to change the visibility of this particular button. So this particular button will only be visible if logged in user doesn't contain this category. Okay, now let's connect this, and this particular group 110 will be visible if the current the logged in user selected that particular category. Okay, so as you can see, current category users contains logged in user. Okay, and let's connect this one as well, and here current category user does not contain logged in user. Okay, now our active state effect is now ready. Okay, now let me show you a preview of this. Okay, so password is wrong. Let me try another one. Okay, so active state button is here. Okay, now as you can see, I didn't select it Motorola, Apple, Samsung. Okay, so it's showing this particular button. Okay, and I selected Nokia, so it's showing this particular button with a color fill. Okay, now we have seen that this is working. Now we have to set up an action. Okay, so again we have to click again here. Okay, and on a click of this particular button, we are going to update the current category and we will add the logged in user here. And let's say if users want to remove that particular category from their list, okay, then it will simply we will use the update functionality. So here, update current category, remove logged in user, and I will click done. Now let's preview again. Now I'm going to uncheck Nokia. Okay, now I will click Motorola, Samsung and test. Okay, now it is working.